Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, as in the previous video we discussed that about the InfyTQ interview preparation. So as in the first video I discussed so many points that is related to InfyTQ interview preparation, and as we know that final round is completed and soon final round result will be declared. Okay, so this video is very important because this video is second part, and in the particular video we see the how to make good resume. Okay, as we know that the resume is the most important part of the interview because you need to submit your resume before the interview, before in the appearing in the interview. So in the particular video we discuss the 5 points that is related. So first point is how to make good resume, what are the details we have to add in resume, internship, certification, courses, hobbies, non-CSIT or CSIT resume. If you are belonging from the CSIT branch, so what you have to should add in your resume, and if you are not belonging from the CSIT branch, so what you should. Okay, and fifth point is good resume, good impact. So this points are very important, and let's discuss the one by one point, and let's start the video. So for the reference I just add my resume in the particular video. Okay, so you can see my particular resume, and in which I add many things in the particular resume. So I also suggest some important tips that is related to resume also. So what you do not include in the particular resume, because it is important to add the some good points and good technologies or good information in the resume. Okay, so let's start the video, and first just so this is the resume format, and if you have not resume format, because I use my college resume format that is given by my college, and this is the resume format in which I add and fill the details that is related to particular point. So if you have not the particular college format, or if you not follow the particular college format, or if you follow the other regular resume format, so you can check easily on Google. There are very different format for resume, but for the job industry specification resume we need to maintain the proper resume. Okay, so first of all that is related to at the top my name is shown here. Okay, so in the particular this is the box, there is a details like my address and my phone number and my Gmail ID, and so in the particular after the box I just add my details. Okay, so first of all, what is your career objective? The career objective is the main important point in the resume. Okay, so what is your career objective? Because you are applying for a job interview at IT companies such like Infosys, or you can apply through many companies, but this video is only important for the Infosys because as the many candidates want some videos related to InfyTQ interview preparation, and in the upcoming video I talk about the projects related topic. Okay, so what is the career objective point? The career objective point is a specified point. So the interviewer ask the particular related points, and the career objective is very important point that is related to your career. So what is the basically objective? So in my case, so what is the career objective? To secure a position where I can efficiently contribute my skills and abilities to growth of the organization and build my professional career. So it is the first point of the resume. Okay, so the particular, if you are from non-IT, non-CSIT or CSIT branch, so just add the first point, career objective. So it is the very important point. Okay, or if you follow the another pattern of the resume, you can just follow, because different colleges have different resume pattern. Okay, so this is the basic example of resume pattern that I shared with all of you for the basic understanding that what we have to add in the particular resume. Okay, so then move to the second point, that is academic record. So firstly you have to mention the particular three main degrees, or three main important points that is related to the 10th 12th marks and the current degree. or the current. Okay, so in which academic year did you pass the particular this degree or this the 10th 12th. Oh, and what are the university of board, like I am affiliated, I am some graduated from the Rajiv Gandhi Pradhyogiki Vishwavidyalaya, and what is your currently board, like MP board or the state board or the particular CBSE board. And in terms of the CGP or percentage, you just need to add the CGP or percentage in column between. Okay, so let's move on to the next point, that is related to if you are make particular CSIT resume. So it is important point that what are the some languages that you know, like Python, C++ and Java or SQL, or you can add your preferences languages. But if you are not belonging from the CSIT branch, so what you have showed in the languages section. So it is important that you learn the particular language, like if you just prepare for the InfyTQ final round in the Python programming language, so just add the Python if you are not from the non-CSIT branch, or if you are from the CSIT branch, just add many as you learn the particular programming languages in the previous years. Okay, from in the previous year of your graduation. Okay, so next point is what is your IT skills. Oh, okay, so if you are from the CSIT branch, so what is your IT skills, like if you have knowledge in machine learning, algorithm, data structure. In my case, I just add the database management system intermediate because I have sufficient knowledge of DBMS at that time. But this time I learned so many technologies like machine learning, Python, and so other technologies. So in the particular IT skills part, you just add the database management system. Okay, so let's if you are from non CSIT branch. Okay, so if you are from non CSIT branch, so just add your subject skills or your course skills. Okay, in that section, if you have some skills, like if you are belonging from mechanical engineering branch, civil engineering branch, or other engineering branch, electronics, so what is your skills in some particular subject or in some particular technology. Okay, so let's move on to the third point, that is related to projects. Project section is very important, and in the upcoming video I discuss about some project that if you are not make yet the project, so what are the some best website that you learn and create the project, what are the some best YouTube channels that they create the some wonderful projects, and the projects is very important part in the particular interview. Okay, so what are the projects that I make in my time, like the verification through face recognition. If you are from CSIT branch, just add your projects, like if you made the minor project at that time, so add your project. There is 1 project, 3 project, 4 project, and the 5 projects, so there is no matter in the particular section. You can add so many projects, just like 5, 4 and 6, but you have sufficient knowledge of all project, because they ask the questions, because the interviewer team or the panelist team will ask the questions regarding from the project. Okay, so in my case, I just add the 2 important project that I made in my that I made in my currently studying year. Like I made the 2 minor project, verification through face recognition, automating e-commerce life cycle through DevOps. This is the major project that I currently work on it. Okay, so for the practice, I also made the some project that is related to practice, and this is the benefit point here. Okay, if you add the practice project here, like just you add the some practice project, so it is very good point. Okay, if you are not belonging from the non CSIT branch, so just add the project in which you are currently work, and in which you are currently done in your studying year. Okay, so just like if you are belonging from electronics branches, so you have work on the particular technology of IoT and some electronics part, so just add that project. Okay, if you are belonging from CSIT branch, just add your project. So let's move on to the important point, that is related to training. Training is the most important point in the project. So what in the resume, so what you done in the particular training. So there is a COVID period, as we know that from previous 1 year there is a COVID period. So what are the some training that you done in the particular period, or that you done in the you're currently studying year, like in your first year, second year. And in the training you just add the outdoor training also, like if you join the particular Google Cloud training, AWS training, or some training, so you can add the particular training in that. Like I joined the AWS workshop, Edureka workshop, that is data science workshop, 30 days of Google Cloud program. So there are so many trainings that I add. And if you are from CSIT branch, just add your training that you done. And if you are not from CSIT branch, so add your trainings that you done in the currently studying years. Okay. So let's move on to the main point, that is related to some achievements. What are some co-curricular activity, extracurricular activity, internships, strength, area of improvement, hobbies, and just related to the personal details and references. Okay, so what are the some achievements that I made? Okay, so what are the some achievements that I selected for IIM Indore program for all departments of my college? Secured first position in the Kabaddi game competition. So these are the some achievements that I made in my school time or in the college. Okay, so you also add some beautiful use also some add some wonderful achievements, like you secure the particular rank in the particular coding competition or in the particular other competition also. Like if you have not attempted any coding competition yet, so you can also add your different achievements. So okay, so you need to particular section to this achievements point. Talk about the co-curricular activity. The co-curricular activity is main important point, that is related to what you done in the currently studying year. If you are belonging from CSIT branch, so add your co-curricular points. If you are not belonging from CSIT branch, so add your curricular activities point, like if you have done some project, if you have done some courses, if you have done some technologies certification, or if you have done some particular courses. Okay, what about the extracurricular activity? Okay, so extracurricular activity is not related to the co-curricular activity. It is related to the other part that you have not beyond from the study part. Okay, so what are some extracurricular activity that you should add in your resume? It should be great impact on your resume, that what you have some participated in different competition or the different part. Okay, talk about the internship. This section is very important. If you not done any internship, in the upcoming video I just make the one video that how you can do the particular internship in just a couple of time or in just a couple of hours. And these are the internship that is related to free virtual internship, that is provided by top big platform inside Sherpa or 4H. So I done Deloitte Technology Consulting virtual internship, and it is basically related on the cloud engineering. If you not done the in-office internship, there is no worry, but you can also done the particular internship that is remotely access, or if you have any done the internship in any part. If you are not belonging from CSIT or if you are belonging from CSIT, just add your internship that you done previously or currently. You need to add your strength in the particular resume, so it will be great impact. And areas of improvement, like I have the improvement on the improving English vocabulary, competitive programming approach, because we are from the CSIT branch and we have to particular work on the competitive programming approach. And if you are not from CSIT branch, just add your areas of improvement. What is your hobbies? Like I am a YouTuber, so I used to make different videos, and I also play kabaddi, like daily exercise and running. These are my some hobbies that is related. So if I talk about some personal detail, you just add like what is your date of birth, nationality, what you known some languages, like I known the particular Hindi, English, French. So what are some languages that you known? What's your mother tongue, father name, passport detail. Passport detail point is very important. If you have a passport, it is very good, but if you have not any passport, so just add this applied for. in the references section, just add your head of member, college head of member or branch head of member name with your with their details. So this is the reference that anyone from Infosys or anyone from MNC that just ask about some references. Okay, so at the last you just add the declaration point that this is the information that is true, furnished best of my knowledge, and at the time of date and place you can add the date of your interview and place where you can give your interview from. Okay, so these are the some important point that is related that how to make good resume. What are the some details that I shown in my resume: internship, certification, hobbies, non-IT, CSIT or CSIT resume, good resume and good impact. So the some important point that is related to resume, that if you not done the any particular courses, certification, do not add in the particular resume. Okay, because if they ask question from the particular point, so it will be so if you not answer the question, so it will leads to some problem. So add the points that you know, or add the some project, certification, internship that you have sufficient knowledge about that. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you find good content, just like and share this video, and if you find some good content on channel also, share with your friends. And the Hack with Infy Advantage Round Preparation series is started. Just check the video that I already uploaded before 2 hours. And if you have any doubt, just drop your query in the comment section. If you want more videos on the topics like how to prepare for interview, so just drop your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.